how do we stop this? From ending up like this. Climate change and the environmental crisis are no longer someone else's problem. Everywhere around the world, we're feeling the consequences of unsustainable consumption. This needs to change, and it can change. There's now a robust body of psychological research showing that when our feeling of connection to nature increases, so does our willingness to live more sustainably. But most of us live in urban environments and we feel separate from nature. This feeling of separation can act as a barrier standing between our knowledge of environmental damage and our motivation to do something about it. My name is Damien and I'm a doctoral researcher at Plymouth Marjon University. I'm going to be exploring the potential for psychological representations of nature to increase our feeling of connection to the natural world. This will involve investigating different types of imagery and anthropomorphisms of nature, the words we use to talk about nature, and the way we see ourselves within nature. But more than this, I'll be finding ways that nature connectedness can empower and motivate our active participation in bringing about the societal changes we need for a sustainable future. The goal of this research is to create a social and ecological impact by developing a framework of actionable knowledge that can positively influence both individual lives and environmental policy. The new knowledge generated by this PhD will also help inform environmental education programs, conservation campaigns, climate change communication, helping them inspire environmental concern. We can all do something for this beautiful planet that is our one and only home. And as a researcher, I want to offer you my passion and expertise in finding effective ways of bringing us forward into a felt awareness of our indivisible connection to nature. This 3-year doctoral work is full-time and entirely self-funded. So if you feel this project has value, please show your support with a donation. Because this isn't just my project, this is our project as citizens of the Earth. So join me in making a difference. Thank you.